Hello everybody, my name's Paul Tace. In this video I would like to share with you a new tool in Adobe Premiere Pro that has saved me a ton of time. So let's get started. Okay guys, this new tool that I'm talking about is called the Remix tool, and what it does is it cuts the music you've laid down on your project to the exact length that you would like. Now what I've got here is a few shots from my drone that I've put together. They're slightly longer than I would like. What I usually do is put down the music and then time the clips to the music. In this case, I know which music I want and it's about twice as long as I need it. So I've put the clips down to the rough length that I'd like and then I've dropped the music in. Now we can see this is far too long. What I would usually do is go through listening to the music, try to cut it on a beat, and then try to find another piece that I can connect to it and it's seamlessly join. This takes a lot of time, as you can imagine. But the good thing is they now have the Remix tool. So what you can do is click on the Ripple Edit here, go down to Remix tool, and then here we have the music. Now I will point out you can also make the music longer by dragging it outwards. And then we can see here we've got these seamless edits here. Let's listen to one of them. We cannot tell where that's been cut, or at least I certainly can't. But what I'm going to do now is drag it in shorter. I want it to finish about here. Let's see what I've got. Maybe a tiny bit longer. Just there. There we go. And we can see it's done a different cut here. So there we go. We can see it's made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different cuts. And let's see if they are seamless. Here we go. There we go. I couldn't hear that one. And the really good thing about using the Remix tool like this is that we can basically get the whole song and squish it in together. So this is something really useful. So I'm going to go and finish this now, drag the clips to the right length. If you'd like to see the final color graded footage that I have, I've shot it in 4K. I'm going to drop a link at the end of this video on the screen now. So I hope you found this video useful and I hope to see you in the next one.